Dear students, we are continuing our chapter 4, Birds, part 4. Welcome to our new class. Where do birds live? Birds build nests. They use twigs, grass, feathers, cotton, wool, leaves, and sometimes even mud to build their nest. The nest is very important for the birds. It keeps them safe from bad weather. It protects them from enemies such as snakes and birds of prey. Birds lay their eggs in the nest. They take care of their chicks in the nest till they are ready to fly. Different birds make different kinds of nest. They are nest in halls, nest in rocks, a woven nest, a stitched nest, nest on open ground. Nest in holes. A woodpecker makes a hole in a tree with its beak. The hole is used as a nest. Nest in rocks. Eagles make their nest on the higher branches of tall trees or on rocks. Their nests are called eyries. A woven nest. A weaver bird uses grass, twigs and leaves to weave a nest on a tree with its beak. There is a tunnel-shaped opening at the bottom of the nest for the bird to enter. A stitched nest. A tailored bird makes its nest out of large-sized leaves. It uses its beak like a needle to stitch the leaves together using cotton threads or threads from a spider's web. That's why it is called a tailor bird. Nest on open ground. Penguins make their nest on the ground with a few stones or pebbles. Our last section in this chapter is caring for the young. How the birds caring for their young ones. Birds lay eggs in their nest. The mother bird sits on the eggs for some days to keep them warm. This helps the baby birds to develop inside the eggs. When the eggs hatch and the babies come out, they are weak and fatherless. The parents feed them and protect them from enemies.